Alright, YouTube, look at that over there. That's the swamp cooler. Someone had commented that this was actually a swamp cooler. I mean, I still call it what it is. You know, it's a swamp cooler slash air conditioner slash evaporative cooler. This is what it looks like at night. Let me go ahead and turn off the... This thing does have RGB on it too, but it's yellow, blue, and green. Turn off the keyboard. Now we can see. I'm going to turn this one off as well. This is my smaller one. Alright, it's off, and this is what it looks like at night. Wait for that one to go off. See it on this side? The lights are now alright, now it's off. And now we're on Cyan. I'm going to put it back on turbo mode. I actually have not just water, but ice in there as well. And you can see the colors a little bit on the ceiling. Most of the light is concentrated right there. So now we have red. Can't really see it up there, but down here you can. We have red. Oh, and up here actually kind of looks kind of cool. It looks like the old Fisher-Price Sparkling Symphony in a way. So there we go, there's red, white, blue, magenta, yellow, and green. And then it cycles through the colors. And the water and ice actually kind of disguises more the LEDs, so they're not as bright anymore. But it will reflect pretty soon. And it's cycling through. Where is that? Yep, it's cycling now. It's going to magenta now. And now it's going to red. And you turn it off. And now the lights are... Only thing that's lighting up now is the top buttons. Now I'm going to turn it back on. And there's Cyan. And now we're back to red. Alright, and there we go. That is the night video of the RGB swamp cooler. Thanks for watching, and more to come later.